Deep in the vibrant jungle, where sunlight danced through the leaves, lived Alpee. A curious and friendly creature, Alpee loved exploring. One sunny morning, venturing further than usual, Alpee stumbled upon a hidden grove, filled with the sounds of playful chatter and rustling leaves, hinting at an exciting discovery. Suddenly, a mischievous monkey swung down from a tree, landing right in front of Alpee. The monkey, with its bright eyes and playful grin, held a juicy mango. It chattered excitedly, tilting its head inquisitively at the little green creature. Alpee, initially surprised, felt a warmth spread through its fluffy velvet fur, an invitation to play. Hesitantly, Alpee extended a small, velvet-covered appendage. The monkey, intrigued by Alpee's gentle gesture, hopped closer, offering a bite of the sweet mango. The jungle air filled with the sweet scent of the fruit as Alpee cautiously tasted it. The monkey watched with anticipation, eager to share its delicious treat. Alpee's eyes widened. It was the most delicious thing it had ever tasted. Grinning widely, Alpee eagerly took another bite. The monkey chattered with delight, its tail wagging furiously. It seemed the shared mango was the start of something special, a bond forming between two unlikely friends in the heart of the jungle. With bellies full of mango, the monkey beckoned Alpee to follow. Hopping from branch to branch, it led Alpee deeper into the jungle. Alpee, excited for adventure, happily followed. The jungle paths, once unknown, now seemed inviting and full of possibilities with its new playful friend. They arrived at a sparkling waterfall cascading into a clear pool. The monkey playfully splashed in the water, inviting Alpee to join. Alpee, initially hesitant, dipped a toe into the cool water. The refreshing sensation encouraged it to take the plunge, joining the monkey in a joyful splash fight. As the sun began to set, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, the monkey led Alpee to a cozy clearing. Fireflies began to twinkle, creating a magical atmosphere. They settled down together, watching the stars appear one by one, their playful energy gradually calming into peaceful companionship. The monkey nudged Alpee gently, offering a soft leaf as a blanket. Alpee snuggled into the leaf, feeling safe and warm. It had never felt so content before, so far from home, yet so connected to its new friend. The jungle, once a place of mystery, now felt like a welcoming embrace. As the moon climbed higher, casting a silvery light over the jungle, Alpee drifted off to sleep, dreaming of mangoes and waterfalls. The monkey kept watch, a silent guardian, ensuring its new friend was safe and sound. The bond between them deepened under the watchful eyes of the stars. The first rays of dawn peeked through the jungle canopy, awakening Alpee. It stretched and yawned, feeling refreshed and happy. The monkey greeted it with a playful nudge, signaling the start of a new day filled with adventure. Alpee knew this was just the beginning of a wonderful friendship. Hand in paw, or rather, velvet fur in paw, Alpee and the monkey set off to explore more of the jungle. They swung through the trees, discovered hidden waterfalls, and shared countless laughs. Their unlikely friendship blossomed, proving that differences can be overcome with kindness and a shared love of adventure. And so, Alpee, the small, round, neon green entity, found a best friend in the playful monkey. Their days were filled with laughter, adventure, and the sweet taste of friendship. They lived happily ever after, proving that even the most different creatures can find common ground in the heart of the jungle.